What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about following up Metrobank credit card application. Paano nga ba i-follow up yung Metrobank credit card application natin at saka paano nga ba malaman kung ito ba ay approve or decline yung Metrobank credit card application natin. Kasi minsan guys, alam mo naman, hindi dumarating yung notification kung ito ba ay approve or decline. Kaya naman ano yung dapat nyong gawin kapag hindi dumating yon. Kasi kadalasan pinapadala talaga siya via SMS or via email yung approval or yung pag-decline ng Metrobank credit card application ninyo. Kaya naman i-share ko sa inyo kung walang dumating, ano yung dapat yung gawin, paano yung i-follow up at para malaman ninyo kung ito ba ay approve or declined. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa ito channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to follow up on a Metrobank credit card application, call the 24-hour customer service hotline at 0288-700-700. Ito ay para sa mga nasa Metro Manila. Kapag ikaw naman ay nasa probinsya, ang kailangan mong idaya gamit yung PLDT landline or any other internet provider na may landline kayo, tawagan ninyo gamit yung 1800-1888-5775. Ito yung sa mga nasa probinsya para hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng Metrobank branch para makitawag. Or pwede nyo naman silang i-email guys via customerservice@metrobankcard.com. Yun yung official email address ni Metrobank for credit card application inquiry. Applications are generally processed within 2 to 3 weeks. So, nais ko lang malaman nyo guys na huwag mo na agad-agad kayo mag-follow up or mag-check ng status ninyo regarding your Metrobank credit card application. Antayin ninyo yung 2 to 3 weeks kasi pinaprocess pa nila yung application ninyo. Baka naman kasi kaka-apply nyo lang ngayon, kinabukasan mag-follow up agad kayo. So, medyo off yun sa part na yun. You can also track delivery via Facebook Messenger with your 14-digit reference number. Siguro naman aware kayo guys yung pag-apply ninyo, may binigay na 14-digit reference number or any reference number after your Metrobank credit card application. Kailangan nyo i-save yon or i-screenshot kung via online kayo nag-apply para at least the moment na mag-follow up kayo or para matrace or matrack yung delivery status ng Metrobank credit card ninyo if na-approve, kailangan yung 14-digit reference numbers na yon. Ways to follow up on Metrobank application. So, ito yung mga paraan para ma-follow up ninyo guys yung Metrobank credit card application ninyo. Phone call is the fastest. Ito yung pinakamabilis. Kapag nasa Metro Manila kayo, 88700-700. Kapag nasa probinsya naman kayo, using your domestic toll-free, 1800-1888-5775 using PLDT landline. So, take note lang guys na using your PLDT landline only. Free call naman ito using your PLDT lamang. Premium card holder support, 0288-700-707. So, kapag premium card holder kayo ni Metrobank, ito yung kailangan yung tawagan, 0288-700-707. Via email guys, kung halimbawa wala kayong landline, tapos wala kayong Metrobank na malapit, so, wala kayong choice via email using your registered email address nung nag-apply pa lang kayo. Send an inquiry to customerservice@metrobankcard.com, yung official email address kung saan pwede kayo mag-inquire ng status ng Metrobank credit card application ninyo, kung ito ba ay declined or approved. Next is via Facebook Messenger. Message the Metrobank Card Facebook page for assistance from a representative. So kung hindi nyo pa sure ano yung gagawin, para at least may ibang katanungan kayo, kailangan nyo malaman, Facebook page Messenger ni Metrobank, pwede kayo mag-contact doon. Branch visit. Go to the nearest Metrobank branch to inquire. So ngayon, to end that questions, para mas mabilis talaga siya, since may customer service or may mga teller na doon sa Metrobank, pwede kayo pumunta sa any branch. Huwag kayong mahiya magtanong. Pwede kayong magtanong kung paano malaman yung status ng credit card application nyo sa Metrobank. Then, isa-suggest kayo ngayon kung ano yung gagawin. Kung mag-email or magtatawag using their landline. Then, sila na mismo magdadial niyan para sa inyo. Mababait naman yung mga taga Metrobank, guys. Then ngayon, paano nga ba malaman kung approve yung Metrobank credit card application ninyo? Via SMS, email notification. Metrobank will send updates to your registered mobile number or email address usually within 10 working days. So after nyo mag-apply, guys, after 10 working days or before, kahit 5 working days, 6 working days, kapag napabilis yung process ng application ninyo sa Metrobank credit card, nagte-text agad sila ng update. Saan nga ba sila magte-text? Sa SMS or email notification. So make sure lang guys na nung nag-apply kayo ng Metrobank credit card is dapat active yung mobile number na nilagay ninyo. Sarili nyo talaga at saka yung email address. Kasi doon nila ipapadala yung updates ng application ninyo kung ito ba ay approve or declined. Kaya naman kapag nag-apply pa lang kayo, make sure na hindi magka-aberya yung contact details ninyo. I-double check ninyo talaga before nyo i-submit. At saka kung nawala yon, halimbawa, nawala yung SIM card, make sure naman guys na ma-retain sana yung email kahit papano. Kasi sa email at SMS sila nagpapadala ng notification kung ito ba ay approved or declined. Check delivery status. If you receive a 14-digit reference number via SMS, you can use that to check if a card has been issued for delivery. So ngayon, papadalahan kayo ng 14-digit reference number sa SMS kung saan ano yung naka-register na mobile number nung nag-apply kayo. So, pwede nyo gamitin yung 14-digit reference number na yon to track the delivery status of your Metrobank credit card. So, ngayon kung ito ay out for delivery na or in transit for delivery, sure na yung approval na ikaw ay may future credit card na. Magiging future Metrobank credit card holder ka na kapag ito ay may reference number na, the next na i-deliver na, congratulations. It is recommended to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks for processing before following up. So, ito na yun guys. Kailangan nyo muna mag-antay. Halimbawa, walang dumarating na information or updates. Antayin nyo muna yung 2 to 3 weeks before kayo tumawag sa customer service or before kayo pumunta sa Metrobank para sure na may feedback yung application ninyo. Kasi kapag pumunta kayo dun 1 week pa lang, so sasabihin ng taga Metrobank na balik na lang po kayo kung nasa branch kayo pumunta. Tapos kung nasa customer service naman, sasabihin na antayin lang yung update, then tawag na lang after this date, ganyan. Kasi 2 to 3 weeks talaga yung minimum processing time ng Metrobank credit card application. So para ma-sure na may update, makuha kayong details, after 2 to 3 weeks na lang kayo tumawag or mag-follow up para malaman ninyo kung ito ba ay approved or declined. So yun guys, make sure lang na yung delivery address is okay, doon talaga kayo nakatira, tama yung spelling, tama yung street, tama yung number ng bahay, kasi syempre kung nasa syudad kayo, maraming bahay doon. So, pag hinanap yung pangalan ninyo, hindi kayo kilala, mag-return to sender yung delivery ng Metrobank credit card ninyo. Sayang naman. Kaya naman, make sure yung details na yan, yung contact number, email, tsaka yung delivery address. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!